Arnold Sommerfeld was a prominent German theoretical physicist who made significant contributions to the field of quantum mechanics and atomic physics. While he was highly respected within the scientific community, it is a popular misconception that he was nominated 84 times for the Nobel Prize. In reality, Nobel Prize nominations are kept confidential for a period of 50 years, so it is impossible to know the exact number of times someone has been nominated unless the information is explicitly disclosed by the nominators themselves. Furthermore, the Nobel Prize Committee only releases the names of the laureates and does not publicly disclose the identities of the nominees or the number of nominations received by any individual. While Arnold Sommerfeld was highly regarded for his work, he never received the Nobel Prize. However, many of his students and colleagues, such as Max Planck, Werner Heisenberg, and Wolfgang Pauli, did receive Nobel Prizes for their contributions to physics.